Bank of America student account. So if you want to apply or view any sort of details about their student account on Bank of America and what kind of account they offer, visit bankofamerica.com. Look for the search bar on the top right hand side and then simply search for student account. And once you've done that, you'll see the suggested searches. So click on that. Here you can click on student account FAQs. So we will select that particular option there. We'll be taken to this page and it says explore student banking. So obviously we're going to do just that. Now once done, you can simply go ahead and select this option, Bank of America Advantage, Safe Banking, and other options that are available for students, right? So here you can see no monthly maintenance fee, no overdraft fees, saved money and convenient access, and all of these options that you could possibly see. So obviously depending upon whether you want a savings account or checkings account for your student, you can simply click on the get started button and fill out a certain form that they might appoint you with, and these are the documents that you will need, and from there you'll be able to schedule an appointment and open your student's account. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.